House Bill 4413. Imagine this. Imagine a chemical company in Texas mixing a little bit of plant waste into a huge batch of fossil fuel feedstock. They can now call a portion of that final product renewable, even if it still comes from the same refinery, releasing the same emissions into the same community. What the bill says it does? House Bill 4413 says it promotes sustainability by allowing chemical manufacturers to use renewable or waste-based materials to make plastics and other products. It also creates a new category called renewable chemicals. What it actually does? The bill lets companies use accounting methods called mass balance attribution to label their products as renewable, even when most of what they produce still comes from fossil fuels. This means large chemical companies can now claim green credit, while communities near their plants see no real change in pollution or safety. Now, who benefits? Large chemical and plastics corporations like Dow, BASF, and Covestro, industry trade groups such as the Texas Chemistry Council and the American Chemistry Council, corporate lobbyists and certification firms that will get contracts to verify renewable claims. Who pays the price? Texans who live near industrial sites that remain just as polluted, small manufacturers who can't afford costly certification systems, and taxpayers if future subsidies or tax breaks are tied to this new renewable label. Why it matters. When the law changes what counts as renewable without requiring cleaner operations, it gives corporations a free pass to market themselves as green while the real environmental cost stays the same. That weakens public trust and pushes future costs, health cleanup, and oversight onto everyday Texans. And questions you can ask your lawmakers. How will the public verify that these so-called renewable products are actually reducing emissions? Why hand this authority to private certification systems instead of requiring transparent state oversight? And if the goal is cleaner production, why not tie renewable status to actual environmental performance? Bottom line, House Bill 4413 lets chemical giants call fossil-based products renewable on paper while Texans keep paying the price in the real world.